welcome back. Hopefully the lighting's not too terrible because this is kind of like what we're working with today. Last weekend I had the Country Club Festival on the Green. It went very well. To be honest, I was expecting a little bit more, but as time goes on, I'm kind of realizing like which kind of events are going to be more profitable to me, which I think is important to kind of go through so you understand different types of events, how you can kind of like read the profitability of the event from advertisements, RSVPs, and things like that. So that's definitely something that I am working on and getting better at. So now that that's over, this weekend we do have the Maryland Heritage Festival. My daughter is coming with me to that one. I'm very excited for it. So I poured from my core line, Bright Sunshine, always popular, White Cashmere, which is my personal favorite to burn in my house, and then my second favorite, Chapter Book. So those are all from my core line. Definitely some faves. Then I have, careful baby, I have one new one, which is Black Velvet that I am loving, and my fall favorite so far, the Dusk in Autumn, which is a dupe for the Bath & Body Works Sweater Weather. All great options. I am definitely running low on these sugar scrubs and body butters, but I do have enough for this weekend. So I'll definitely be taking this Golden Hour. It's like a sandalwood, Swan and Dolphin. I only have one of these, but I am gonna take that. Bare Skin has been kind of popular. Honestly, it's not as popular as I was expecting, but that's okay. Miami Vice is going over very, very well. That's more Bare Skin. This is my last sun-dazed, so I'm definitely going to take that and hopefully get it on the road to a new home. And then White Tea, which is one of my personal favorites. Only soap that I want to finish to take is a few of these exfoliating coffee ones. Those are very nice, and I am enjoying how they turned out. You could check out this tutorial here if you want to see me making it from start to finish. I'm very, very excited for this. I recently became a Replica Surfaces ambassador, and I am super excited to be working with them. I mean, you guys have seen, I've done and talked about it in plenty of videos, wondering whether or not the Replica Surface would be worth it, and truly they are. I have done all the DIYs. There is nothing as good as a Replica Surface. I did get 3 surfaces from them. Let's just open them up really quickly. Hopefully I can do it before all of my children explode because I'm not out there at this very second. Got an extra large one, which I'm really excited for because I don't have one yet. This will be my first extra large. I should have known that wasn't going to be enough. I do have down in the description box a discount code for 12% off. So if you're thinking about trying them, then definitely use my code and sign up for their emails so you can see the collections, you know, like the announcements for them and everything. Pines Gate, which I didn't decide on, but then I did end up going with. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. This, if I was like an ambiance, it would be this. This is my favorite color. This is actually the color of the outside of my house. This is my, this is a scene that I absolutely cannot wait to use. Next is the Terrazzo. This one I've definitely been wanting for a while. It's so perfect. I can't wait for this one. I know I said that about the Pinescape, but this one is one that I've wanted for a really long time. But here she is. Ooh, that's nice. It's so cute. Hang tight. Let me do you a size comparison. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That is quite the size difference.
Hi everyone, welcome back to LV Fine Soaps, and today Here's Sarah back with another be doing. And hi, it's my first time here. I am Sarah's daughter, Sophia. Okay, she is doing this stuff and filming. So she's got this over. She has to put it all. Okay, there we go. There we go. Good progress. This is going to be sweet. We don't have a roof. That's the only problem. Helping us. Okay, look, it's about to be blown up and listen.
All right, well, we are here at the Maryland Heritage Festival. I know I talked about it in a different vlog, but just in case I didn't update you, this was a 2-day event at a historic plantation about an hour away from where I live, but I've been here a bunch of times. And I actually said in that other vlog, I had my senior pictures when I was a senior in high school. I had those taken on the beach here. There is water. It's like over that way, so you probably won't be able to see it.
And I took dance pictures there as
well.
Yeah,
You
it's
did.
so nice.
The dance pictures were that way.
It's beautiful. And they're really nice.
Yes, it is a really nice place with tons and tons of history. So they are having the Maryland Heritage Festival here. There's going to be tons of things that they can do. I know that there are blacksmith classes where you can make things like a blacksmith. There's a tobacco barn. There's like tractor rides. There's all kinds of stuff. There's going to be live music. So on Facebook, almost 2,000 people were interested in coming to this event. You did have to buy tickets before coming to the event for entry. And this is only the second event that I have done where you did have to buy tickets beforehand. So I'm interested to see how that works out. I'm a little concerned. It is pouring down. Well, I guess I shouldn't say concerned, but I'm interested to see what happens because it's pouring.
We've never been to an event that's like pouring rain.
That is true. This is my first, well, this is her first event with me for the entire event as my assistant, and this is my first event in the pouring rain. It did rain at one event that I went to, but it rained for maybe 5 minutes and then it stopped and was sunny otherwise. So we'll see. I do think it's a good thing that you had to buy tickets in advance, because I think that if it was raining and it was just a public event, that less people would come. But I think if you purchase the ticket to get in here, that you are more likely to come. I got a great spot, so I am very glad that this worked out. Like I said, I really enjoy this place. Everyone has been super nice. I'm not sure, she was filming while I was setting up, but I'm not sure if you saw, but someone from another like another tent came by and helped me set up.
That's what I
so that was really nice. Right now we're sitting in the car. We'll probably just stay in for a few more minutes. Our stuff is already out. We're in the parking lot, and I'm just kind of hoping that the rain will subside. It's 10:30
and it's
now.
supposed to stop at 12, which is the exact time the event happens.
Right.
So cross your fingers for that.
We're hoping for it. I did, as you probably heard her say, I did not bring the tent sides, which was a big fail on my part. I guess I didn't really think about it. I'll check in a little bit later. Hopefully the rain stops, but if not, at least we're here together and we have this wonderful opportunity to spend the afternoon with just the two of us. Yeah. All right, we'll check in.
The annoying boys aren't here.
Oh,
you know how boys are.
Yeah. All right, we'll check in with you guys later.
I'll say some other words.
Nope, you don't need to say anything at all.
First customer is here. Oh, our first customer's been here. I haven't even really started. I'm just so excited for the actual event. My favorite part's probably either being with you, with selling soaps to people. Especially there's a couple little girls that came that was really nice. And there's probably also the food, because the people that
Yeah, I'll be here for a minute, so once I'm done, I'll come back.
You're more than welcome.
Well, as always, I look like a wet dog now that the event is over. We had a wonderful time. My daughter's just using the bathroom one more time before we hit the road. We've got about an hour north to travel here just to get to my sister's to pick up the baby. Overall, it was such an excellent experience to be here, honestly. I had a great time. Everyone here was super nice. I did notice that I spent quite a bit more money than I normally would at an event, strictly because she came with me and she wanted to like buy a lot of things. You gotta get in your side, baby. We're driving.
I know. I'm just gonna.
All right, get in. So, yeah, we ended up with some. Thank you, babe. Go on. We ended up with some freeze-dried candies. We got gummy worms, gummy bears, which is what I was trying when I saw you guys a few minutes ago. Skittles, 2 keychains, one for her, one for my son, a pair of leopard flare pants for the baby, lunch. So we did get, you know, quite a few things, but.
And for lunch, I got a mini hamburger. It was so cute. It was like this big.
Yeah, it was adorable.
It was like bite size.
Yes, and it was delicious.
And I also got a bunch of refills of this delicious lemonade. It's mango
passion fruit?
No, mango.
It was something passion fruit.
It was.
I can't remember. All right, so next we are going to pick up the baby, go home, take the evening off, and then tomorrow I'll take inventory and make sure all of my numbers are right and get like a total sales number. We'll see you then.
Bye.
I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Next week we will be doing some more things together. And if you are waiting for my cold press with Surface series, it is coming. I promise. It's all filmed. But like I said, I just don't have a lot of time to finish up the workbook. I am consistently working on it and it will be available soon. So I'll see you in my next video. If you are interested in seeing exactly how I use my replica surfaces, I would recommend watching this vlog here. And if you just want to watch me get ready for a retail restock of the boutique location that I am in, this one will be the video for you. Hopefully you are having a good day and I'll see you next week.